Okay, so we're trying to find the inverse function of this question. Remember, f of x becomes y equals to the square root of x minus 2 plus 5. And the next thing we do is to subchange y for x. Okay, so y becomes x equals to the square root of x minus 2 now turns to the square root of y negative 2 or minus 2 plus 5. Then remember, we try to eliminate the number here. I would like subtract 5 from both sides anyway. So we have x negative 5, of course, with plus 5 comes here, positive 5 comes here, it becomes negative 5 equals to the square root of y minus 2. So what do we do now? Okay, so take a look at this. X minus 5 equals to the square root of y minus 2. So what do? We square both sides, okay? We square both sides. So remember, essentially, square roots and square cancels. So then we have x minus 5 square equals y minus 2. So remember, we transport negative 2, of course, to the left hand side of the equation. So we have x minus 5, okay, square. When minus 2 comes here, it becomes positive 2, okay? So we have equals to y. Now remember, you can FOIL. That is FOIL. You can FOIL this, and when you FOIL it, now this is what I'm talking about. You can FOIL this. That is x minus 5 square becomes x minus 5, x minus 5, okay? So when you FOIL, F for first, O for outer, I for inner, and L for the lab. So x times x, of course, that is to x squared. X multiplied by negative 5, negative 5x, negative 5 times x becomes negative 5x, and negative 5 times negative 5 becomes positive 25 or plus 25. So then this becomes x squared minus 10x plus 25. So remember, we're adding plus 5, and so when you add, plus 2. So when you add 2 to this, so you have x squared minus 10x plus 27 equals y. And then you can write your answer in inverse function form. So that is the inverse function of x equals to what you have here, x squared minus 10x plus 27. And your answer will be correct. And look at what I have here. So I'm going to write my answer in function form here. So it becomes the inverse function of x equals to, and this is what we have here, x negative 5 square plus 2. So both answers are correct. Either you go with this or you go with this. Thank you, and please share this video, follow, and like.